Welcome to my channel. Delicious food in different taste. Aloo ka lachedar paratha. To make lachedar aloo paratha, we will boil the aloo and peel it. Now add chopped green chilies inside the aloos and mix well with spices and salt. Now knead the dough to make the paratha. Now we will take flour, and if we want we can add wheat flour in it. Add salt and celery to it. Add water and mixed well. Leave it 15 minutes. Let's make delicious lachedar paratha. First, we will make it into a round shape. Now we apply potatoes in it. Well cooked. Ready for eat delicious paratha. Delicious and tasty lachedar paratha. Thanks for watching.